Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the VyStar app. So let's get started. So here you have to go to the Play Store or App Store. Then at the top side you can see there's an option called as search option. Click on here. Then you have to search for the VyStar. Okay, VyStar. So at here we can see VyStar mobile. Click on here. So you can directly install this app. So before this you will check the review and other things, verify it. Okay, then you will just go up, then you will slow install button and the app will be automatically downloaded and installed. So this is how to install the VyStar app in your phone. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.